Hi folks, Luke here with Marshall Land Brokers and Auctioneers. I'm out south of Minden taking a consignment here. We've got a John Deere 9560 STS combine to sell August 25th. You can see here this combine has just come out of the shop, has a new CAD kit put in, brand new seat. And I'm going to take you around, walk you around this combine quick. One moment. Really sharp looking unit here, folks. Again, this sells August 25th. This 9560 STS. It has just a little over 2,000 separator hours, a little more engine hours, but a good looking combine. Now folks, you too can consign for this auction. If you'd like your item showcase, feel free to give Clay, Jeff, Miles, or myself a call. We'd be glad to get you lined up. Again, this combine south of Minden, selling for a farmer down here. Feel free to come take a look or get on our website, marshallauction.com. Find out all the information there. All sales August 25th, annual pre-harvest machinery auction, marshallauction.com.